So, inamusan na itong sanakan si Balat. Yeah, we are here to say goodbye to Jessica. And Tia has his own jacuzzi. This is his jacuzzi, having fun. Yeah. Like, what is happening?
Yeah, that's cool, right?
Yeah. Oh, you see the plug because I see.
Yeah, it's the plug. Oh my God,
Tata siksak.